so many goodbyes. How lonely you must be, Doctor.
I could save everyone.
Yes.
I could stop the war. Imagine you found yourself somewhere, I don't know, Pompeii. You tried to save them, but in doing so, you make it happen.
What have you got now?
No, man.
I thought it was better.
But you said we die! For the future, for the human race!
Yes, because there are laws. There are laws of time. And once upon a time, there were people in charge of those laws, but they died. They all died. Do you know who that leaves? Me!